Hello future investors and welcome back to another episode, and again today we're going to be doing a second unboxing of the Royal Mint's 1 ounce silver coin collection. So without further ado, let's get this second one opened. Alright, what one is this going to be? I made 3 purchases. We've already opened one in the previous video, so let's see which one this is going to be. Very excited. If you could tell from my last video, I was super excited to receive my first 1 ounce silver coin. Here we go. Ooh. Okay, it's the Valiant. The 1 ounce silver Valiant. Wow. That is amazing. So, if you're not sure what this is George the Dragon Slayer. George slaying the dragon, as you can see here. He's got a long javelin sort of spear, and he's fighting the dragon. If you're from the UK, it's a legendary myth that George the Dragon Slayer defended the UK by destroying the dragons. It's a beautiful piece, and this is actually the highest silver quantity piece out of the 3. This is the only one that is a 999.9, whereas the other 2 are just 3 9s. And what that means is 3 9s is 990%, sorry, 90.90% of silver, and 999.9 is 999.9. So this is the closest to pure silver you can get, the 4 9s, and the 3 9s is also extremely high. It's only 0.9% less of silver inside the actual coin itself. This I paid about £25 for, this piece. It was actually a very good deal at the time. It sounds a lot when you know the spot price for silver currently sits at around £17.5, so about £17.50 at the moment. But you always pay a premium when you're buying these off bullion dealers, and as you all know, the Royal Mint does have a high premium. But with that comes easy resellability, as the Royal Mint has a fantastic reputation. And I mean, just look at it. The design on the coin is fabulous. It's got a lovely brushed, sort of matte finish in the center, and then that really shiny mirrored finish on the outside makes the interior design pop a lot more. I love the horse. You can see the muscles on the horse protruding as he's jumping. You've got George on top, slaying the dragon. I like the way the tail loops around the back of the horse. And the dragon, I mean, who doesn't like dragons? I mean, that's just awesome in itself, isn't it? Yeah, I really like that a lot. And on the back, we've got Queen Elizabeth II. The actual denominacy, because this is a coin in the UK, I can actually use this as legal tender. So if I really wanted to, I could go into a shop, and this would effectively be valued at about £2. Now, I'm sure if you went to any standard till, most people wouldn't actually have a clue that you can use this, so they probably wouldn't want to allow it. But if I really legally wanted to, the value of this on a spending market value is actually about £2. But of course, we don't want to do that, because at the moment I paid £25 for it, and on my 25-year long-term plan, I'm expecting to make a nice, decent return, ROI, return on my investment. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode, and really please let me know in the comments below your thoughts on this piece. I am overly excited about now being a coin owner, whereas I've always kind of steered toward the bars. Yeah, I'm very pleased to start diversifying my collection to be bars and coins. Yeah, and if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, because the next couple of videos are going to be unboxing videos and comparison videos. If you enjoyed it and watched till the end, please hit the like button and leave a comment below on your thoughts. Alright, thanks for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next episode.